Welcome back to Lesson Plant Kitchen. You're going to be amazed at today's 3-ingredient, no-bake, mini vegan cheesecakes. Gather 1 scoop of plant-based vanilla protein powder, a cup of aquafaba, and a half teaspoon of agar-agar powder. Combine the aquafaba with the half teaspoon of agar-agar and bring it to a boil in a saucepan. Lower the temperature once it's at a boil so it'll simmer, and then stir constantly for about 2 minutes. Remove from heat and add the plant-based protein powder, and once again reheat and stir until well combined. Pour the mixture into a Pyrex dish and very carefully whip it with a milk frother until it thickens. Divide the mixture into your serving dishes and quickly put them in the refrigerator. The agar-agar will solidify within about an hour. I came up with this recipe on a whim when I was really craving some cheesecake, and I was so impressed with the results. They're a mix between a mousse and a really delicate cheesecake. For some texture, I decided to top mine with some TVP and some strawberry preserves sprinkled with stevia. The protein to calorie ratio is quite impressive, and it's low fat and low sugar as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, consider subscribing, share it with your friends. More recipes can be found on lessonplantkitchen.com and here on YouTube.